Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain editing a part in an assembly and editing an assembly component. So I am going to explain major difference in top-down approach. So edit part in an assembly, top-down approach while editing a part in an assembly, and whereas editing assembly component, you can open the component in a separate window to make the changes. So I am going to explain the major difference. So now I am going to explain editing a part in an assembly. See, if I want to edit this part in assembly, simply select this component, right click and edit part. We have to select this. So here I want to modify small slot. So select the extruded cut. Draw a circle, and we can simply say through all. See, the cutout has been created here. So when we edit this component, we can see rest of the component automatically converted into transparent components, so that we can visualize the component in assembly for modification. So come out of the edit mode. So see here, this is the slot. Now similarly, if I want to add material in the shaft, right click the shaft and click edit part. So in edit part, select this face, go to extruded boss. So it is in top view. Now select this edge, convert entity. So this is a reference for us. So we can simply drag inside and select this shaft and convert entity. Now I am going to trim this. So using power trim, I am going to remove this. See here, when we select extruded boss, see, instead of blind, I am going to select up to surface. So I am going to select this face. See, it is automatically creating the extruded boss, and there is a reference with the other component coming out of this extruded boss. See here, the feature has been created. So this method minimizes the errors in the component. See, so later stage we can add the clearances as per requirement. So in design stage, I have created this component exactly matching to the slot. See here. See, when I isolate this, see, this is the slot. So this way we can edit this component in the assembly. Suppose as per the second method, edit assembly component, that is opening the component separate window. So here, instead of edit this component directly in the assembly, I am going to open this component in a separate window. Now I am going to apply chamfer so which is independent of other components. See here, so it is completely depending on this component. So say OK. So we can open separately in a separate window, and we can modify this component. And when we open this assembly, see, it is asking models contents within the assembly have changed, would you like to rebuild the assembly? Yes. So it automatically updates here. See here, there is a chamfer. See here, there is a chamfer at this location. So in this way we can modify the assembly in two methods. One is editing a part in an assembly, other is editing assembly component, that is opening the component in a separate window and modifying. So thanks for watching.